Hello everyone, welcome in English class. And today we will start with the third chapter, Ranga's marriage. So, in this chapter we will learn about the marriage of Ranga. So, before starting the chapter, firstly I will tell you about the 5 characters of this story. Firstly, Shyama, the narrator of the story. Through him we will listen all the story. Ranga, the main hero we can say of that story. Ranga's father, who was an accountant in a village. Ratna, 11 years old girl who was living in this village with his uncle Ramarao. And last, Shastri. In the very first paras of the chapter, the author, the narrator, describes about his village. The narrator is called Shyama. He himself admits that he is like a dark piece of oil cake. He lives in Hoshahali village. He says so because there was not any description or existence of his village in map. He is sad to see that his village find no mention in any geography book nor a place in any atlas. But according to him, the village has several unique features. There are mango trees, creeping plants in the village pond. So here he mentioned the sourness of Hoshahali mangoes, ever so fine water of the village pond, and the leafy creepers, etc. So according to him, the best way to know the village is to visit his village. So then he also tells us about the earlier and the now circumstances of the village, that earlier very few people know English. No one ever used the language in speech or in writing. Kannada, the native language, was used by all. Now there are so many people who know English and use English, but 10 years ago very few people who knows some words of English. So the story starts when the village accountant sent his son Ranga to Bangalore to study. It became a news. So the story starts, and the story that happened 10 years ago. In those days, not many people knew English. So when village accountant sent his son Ranga to Bangalore, the news became a wildfire. Because that time there is not any trend of sending children to outside for higher studies or to study English. All people there speak just Kannada, their native language. So naturally, when Ranga came back after 6 months, this news spread like wildfire.